Selby once, Christmas brings love, unity, and peace to people. Ahozy FM Selby once loves the sense of unity, peace, and happiness that the festive season brings to people who don't usually get along. Here's what the radio personality had to say about the day. What's the most expensive gift you've received? I've never received any gift on Christmas Day, nothing. It's so sad and I'm a sad person. Can you skip that question? Why is Christmas special to you? It's special cause families come together, we get to see people next door who worked overseas, it's community effort. Everyone gets along, even people who were not on speaking terms for the entire year gets along and they will be saying to each other happy yai. Christmas is about love, peace, and unity. What is on your Christmas lunch menu? I have no idea, I haven't decided yet, hence I don't cook. What do you buy as the perfect stocking filler? I think the reason I never receive anything for Christmas is because I never bought anyone anything. So it is what it is. I'm going to make an effort this year, I swear I'm gonna try. Out of 10, how fat do you feel after Christmas? I'm fat the whole year so it doesn't make a difference, lol.
Yeah.